Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com, and we're ready to go somewhere. You stick your keys, and you get a dead battery. You could call a tow truck, could call emergency services, or pull out your handy Vtoman. Now, this Vtoman was given to us to do a review, but it's still an honest review, and we're testing it out right now. Vtoman X1. This will give us a jump that obviously you just heard we need. It will also fix our flat tire or put air in our flat tire. And you've got this handy little light. Lets you see in the trunk or in the hood, and two forms of red light that you could put and face it towards traffic or whatever. But the Vtoman X1 comes with this. It comes with this handy little case, comes with the instruction book. Here's our jumper cables that we're going to use. I'll show you this. And it comes with the tire pressure, our tire air hose, and it does come with the USB-C cable so that you could plug it in. It does not have the wall charger, but with your little USB-A, you could plug it into anything and charge it up for you. Doesn't take that long to charge this up. You want to make sure you keep it charged up constantly. That way it's charged and ready for you whenever you need. So let's go give ourselves a jump. All right. So let's get our battery chargers. First, you want to connect this to your battery. And then this little slot right here, you want to plug in. You see that green light up? That means you are doing it correctly. Set that there. Now let's go start it. Now, if you were to have these reversed, then you would have a red light. And then you know to reverse them and you'll get a green light. When you get a green light, you're good to go. If the truck or a car does not start right away, then you hit this booster and it will provide you a 2500 amps. Normally 400 is all it takes, but if it doesn't start right away, hit that boost. Start the truck within 3 seconds and it'll give you 2500 amps to boost your battery. Okay, so now we're at our tire, okay? Reach into our little bag. This is why the travel case is good. Undo this. You simply screw it on. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't leak anything. You turn the power switch on, and it goes PSI. You could set it what you want by going up and down, plus or minus. Okay, we have it set at 32, and you could set it at any one you want, and it will automatically shut itself off. So you turn it on and it's already at 32. You can hit PSI. You have a car, you hit it again. You could change PSI, you could change cars, basketball, whatever. Right there, you change to car, SUV, bicycle, basketball. So let's go back up to a car. Hit it again, and it goes bar, KPA, PSI. So you just keep flipping back and forth. Press it again, and it goes to what you want to set. So let's go back down to 30 or 32. Now, start. And you're at 29. $32, and it stops. There's a lot of selections in here that you could do. Like I said, PSI and all this other stuff. You'll learn how the sequence of buttons goes. Take it off, and you're done. So this Vtoman X1 will jump start your vehicle. 400 amps regular, 2500 amps with the boost. This air compressor is for 100 or up to 100 psi. Set it for what you want and it'll automatically shut off. And then of course you've got your light, and it has a DC out for 10 amps, 15 volts, and it has a USB-A out 2.4. So if you need to use this to charge your phone, you can do that as well. So this is a pretty handy little device. We've got links down below for you in the description box. Vtoman, we've reviewed their other products. Excellent, excellent. See you later. Hope you get one.